What's happening, everyone? cryptoFOXXY here. Hope you're having an awesome day. In this video, I want to talk to you about Polkadot and stick all the way till the end. I've got some technical analysis to share with you and some price points that we could be looking at, trying to figure out where Polkadot's going to end up. And, we started October fairly decent, but, we've had some bearish things in the overall global markets going on. The crisis in the Middle East is taking place, and it's definitely significantly stunted our October growth, right? Um, things happen. There's not much we can do other than hopefully things over there get resolved quickly. But we can, do a little bit of, digging and some analysis to see uh, what we can expect for price action, and this is what we have for you in the video. All right, before we get into it, please remember to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new here, and let's get into it. Polkadot price falls to a yearly low despite deployment of their funding program. So the dot price fall caused a breakdown from a long-term horizontal support area at $4.30. Will the price bounce, or is there more downside expected? The Web3 Foundation, which is Polkadot's development agency, has unveiled a new initiative to deploy a total of $22 million and 5 million DOT throughout 2024. They're going to total nearly $41 million. The program aims to bolster the community-driven funding system originating from the Polkadot Treasury. It's directed towards projects that can significantly shape Polkadot's future. So they're basically investing in their own future at this point. Get some development activity going that's going to benefit them in the long run. Smart move. Always invest in yourself, right? So Polkadot did fall below the long-term support. Dot's fallen under a descending resistance trend line since February. More recently, the trend line caused a rejection in July. We can see a little red icon here where it rejected. In August, it broke down from the $4.40 horizontal support area, and that area had been in place since the start of last year. Polkadot validated the area as resistance, which is shown here in the red circle, in September. So even though there had been ongoing price decreases, builders in the Polkadot's ecosystem are not phased. People are still continuing to build, and these builders are growing. Looking at the daily active developers in green on this chart here, which is close to an all-time high and significantly above the 2021 levels, where the altcoin price was at its all-time high. We can see there. So we can see in the green here is the development activity, and this here is the price action. All right. So significant amount of development activity. It's especially visible over the last 30 days when it was ranked second based on GitHub. Their GitHub rate, they had a ratings list of the development activity, and Polkadot came in on second. So people are still building, they're still working, building the bear, all that stuff, right? The weekly RSI also supports a continuing of the Polkadot price decrease. So the RSI is showing bearish. Despite this bearish dot price prediction, a weekly close above the $4.30 area will mean that the trend is still bullish. In that case, the cryptocurrency can increase by 50% and reach about $5.60. So that would be their next resistance area. So that's what we got to look forward to in regards to Polkadot price analysis. Nothing's really looking good at this point right now, but as they say, buy when others are fearful. Not investing advice, obviously, but levels like this would be where I'd be looking to maybe add to my position. Maybe even start like a short term, basically a short, uh, ride it up to the next resistance level, and then maybe take some profits from there. But yeah, that's what I got for you in this video. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.